in the case of PlayStation, every time new revisions are released, and this time the Japanese market has received the new model of PlayStation 4 in its 3 basic editions. According to a report by DualShockers, the PlayStation Online store in Japan released a new revision of the basic PS4 editions in that market, which will now belong to the CUH-2200 model, replacing the CUH-2100. The editions in question are the PS4 500GB Jet Black, which will now have the model number CUH-2200AB01. The PS4 1TB Jet Black, with number CUH-2200BB01, and the PS4 1TB Glacier White, which will now be the model CUH-2200BB02. As the model code indicates, the change is only reflected in the second number, so it is not an important revision, which means that the changes occurred in terms of hardware, with some pieces or circuits updated within the process of manufacture. Also, the content of each package and its price remains unchanged. Although the new revision of PS4 has only been launched in the Japanese market, it is expected that in the coming months and gradually replace the CUH-2100 model in the world markets.